Hi guys, hope you're having a great day. So today I will be telling you how you can add a product in your WordPress e-commerce store, or you can say a WooCommerce store. Some of you might want to add a product from AliExpress or Amazon to your website or any other place. So we'll see how we can extract a product images, description, and then paste it on our site. So just open a product. First, copy the title and then click on right click and save image as. Now select the folder where you want to add it. Click Control plus Shift plus N to add a new folder. It is a shortcut, and then paste the product name. Enter. Now you are in the folder. Save the image as anything you want. Now do this for all the images. The image number 2, Control right, save image. Image 3, enter. Now I have downloaded all the images. Now what we will do is we'll go to WordPress. This is our WordPress dashboard. Hover on WooCommerce, and below it we can find a product, and hover on products and then click on add new. Yeah, here you have to enter the title, the main bullet points you want, add it in the short description. Here you can find the product short description, add the main bullet points. It should be limited description. Now, on the third, we have the product description. The description for this product is short, but we add the long descriptions here. Click on it. Here, you have to write, yeah, description. Paste the description here, and then what we'll do is set the price, whatever you want, regular price, and if you want to do it sale, just sale price is below. Here, add the SKU. You can create one simply. Below it, you can add UPC and anything you want. Now we have to find the weight and dimensions of the product. In shipping tab, we can find the weight, 1.06 ounce. It is written as kg and centimeter, but I'll change that later in WooCommerce settings. You can explore all the options you want here. Now we have to select the category, and we can create a new category here also. Now we'll add the product gallery images. The the main page, the main image will be the first image, and all other images are gallery. So we'll select all of them, click, drag them, and upload it here. Upload them here at gallery. Now set the product image. Click here, drag the first image here, and that's it. After it is loaded, select image, click on the publish button. Let's recheck all of the things you have done. Click on publish, and we are good to go. Let me know if you need anything else. If you, thank you. Bye bye.